This is a case that taught me to ask female clients who have suffered a fracture one very important question. I once had a case where a female client suffered a fracture and that fracture had to be casted. As a result, that female client ended up developing blood clots. What I did not realize is those blood clots were due to the fact that my client was on birth control. Something that I had never known before was being on birth control long term increases the rate at which one can develop a blood clot by 20 times. It might be even a little more than that. And so now every time a client comes through my door, if it's a female and I think that, there's the possibility that she's on birth control and she has a fracture and it is casted, I caution them to be on the lookout for these potential complications, which can change the value of a case, by the way, tremendously. Part of the reason I tell this story is the case isn't always worth what your injury looks like on day one. It's worth what your injury looks like a few years later. DM me case and I'll talk to you about your case and give you an idea of what it might be worth.